iTorial, Intelligent Tutorials. Microsoft Word 2007, Adding Footers and Headers to a Document. This is a continuation of the Creating Smart Art tutorial. Let's start off by creating a footer. Zoom back in so you can read the text, and then scroll up until you can see the bottom of page 1. Now, double-click in the bottom of margin of page 1 below the footnotes. The document switches to Header and Footer view. On the ribbon, the Design tab appears below the label Header and Footer Tools. The insertion point is positioned on the left side of the footer area, ready for you to begin typing. The label, Footer, Section 1, tells you that the insertion point is located in the footer for Section 1. The document text, including the footnotes, is gray, indicating that you cannot edit it in the Header and Footer view. The header area for Section 1 is also visible on the top of page 2. The default footer tab stops are visible on the ruler. Now, type your first and last name, and then press the Enter key. The insertion point moves to the second line in the footer on the left margin. This is where you will insert the page number. Now, in the Header and Footer group, click the Page Number button. The Page Number menu opens. This menu allows you to insert a page number at the top, bottom, or side of a page. Because the insertion point is already located where you want to insert the page number, you need to use the Current Position option. Now, point to the current position. A gallery of page number styles opens. The plain number style at the top simply inserts a page number, whereas other styles include the word page or design elements such as special shapes or colors. Scroll down the page number gallery to get a sense of the type of page number styles available. Then scroll back up and click the Accent Bar 2 style, the third from the top. The word page, a vertical bar, and the page number are inserted in the document. Next, you will check to make sure that the footer you just created for Section 1 also appears in Section 2. Now, scroll down to the end of the document until you can see the footer at the bottom of page 5. Scroll left or right if necessary, so you can see the entire footer. The label at the top of the footer area on page 5, Footer, Section 2, tells you that you are looking at the footer for Section 2. You see the same text, your name, plus the page number, in this footer as Section 1. Alright, let's separate the headers for Section 1 and Section 2. Now, click anywhere in Section 2 footer area at the bottom of page 5. The insertion point moves to the Section 2 footer. In the navigation group, click the Go to Header button. The insertion point moves to the Section 2 header at the top of page 5. Notice that in the navigation group, the link to previous button is selected. This tells you that the Section 2 header is linked to the header in the previous section. That is, the Section 1 header. In other words, anything you add to Section 1 header will also be added to the Section 2 header. But that's not really how we want it to work. To make the Section 2 header a separate entity, you need to break that link. So to break that link, try this. In the navigation group, click the Link to Previous button to deselect it. Deselecting this button ensures that the header you create in Section 1 will not appear in Section 2. Next, you need to move the insertion point to the Section 1 header. In the navigation group, click the Previous Section button. the insertion point moves up to the nearest Section 1 header, which is at the top of page 3. The label Header, Section 1 identifies this as the Section 1 header. In the Header and Footer group, click the Header button. A gallery of header styles opens. Now, scroll down and review the various header styles, and then click the alphabet style, third from the top. A horizontal line is inserted in the document. Along with the placeholder text, type the document title. The placeholder text is actually contained within a document control, although right now you can't see anything that would indicate that this is anything other than ordinary text. Alright, click the placeholder text, type the document title. The text is highlighted in blue, and a blue label with the word title appears above the highlighted text. The blue highlighting and the blue label indicates that this is a document control. This particular document control is a text box. Currently, it contains the placeholder text. Type the document title. Now that the placeholder text is selected as indicated by the blue highlight, you can replace it with something more appropriate. Alright, now type Happy Burgers Report. As soon as you begin typing, the placeholder text and blue highlight disappear. The new text, Happy Burgers Report, is displayed in the document control. You are now finished creating the header and footer for this report, so you can close the header and footer view and return to the print layout view. In the Close group, click the Close Header and Footer button. Save your work if you like, and then zoom out until you can see all 5 pages of the document, including the header at the top of pages 1 through 3 and the footer at the bottom of pages 1 through 5. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come back to watch another iTorial tutorial sometime soon.